cool stuff in these pockets. You ready?
You think those are for you?
All right. Look at this. Who is that?
Buzz!
Who's that? Is Buzz on your shoes?
Did you get Buzz Lightyear Crocs? Pretty cool.
What's this? Is that a car? It's a big truck.
It has a door.
Yeah. Here, let's see what else we got. Look at this. Bubbles.
Wow.
Okay, we'll take those. Who's that?
Lightning.
Lightning.
You got some lightning candles.
There's some PJs.
What's on your PJs? Here, I'll take them.
Look at this one.
Lightning candles.
This one shoots the car. Well, this one's not lightning, but who is that? That's like lightning's friend.
What are those? Cookies. A car.
Car. What are these? Are these shoes?
I see the cookies.
I'm saying some Lifesaver gummies.
Look, candy. Wow, happy birthday, Zane.
Here's Zane, look at this one.
Ooh, look what this one.
Who is that?
Buzz.
Who's that?
Is that
That's
Woody?
And who is that? What does he say? What does he say?
It's Rex.
He goes, "Rawr."
More? What is that? Are those underwear for you, big boy?
Cheetos.
Ooh. Yeah, does that look yummy?
This doesn't look like it's for you. Huh?
That is lightning. Stickers. Look, Zane, you got a cute outfit. You like it?
Is that for Kenley?
You want the cookies? All right, hold on. Let's see what else we got. Look. Cute. Look at your shirt, Zane.
Zane, look. Shirt.
No, not looking.
Shorts.
Oh, you want the car? I'm sorry, I wasn't paying attention. Ooh, look at that cute shirt.
This doesn't look like it's gonna fit you, Zane.
That looks like mommy's. What are you doing? No.
That's for mommy.
Zane, can you say thank you?
That's for mommy. Say thank you.
Danke.
Mommy.
You had to open them to figure it out.
Whose are these? Mommy. Mommy.
Can you say thank you? Zane, I would like for you to say thank you.
Mommy.
All right, you want some cookies?
Mommy.
Car. Zane, look at that. What is that? What is that? That's a book. You want to read your book? Let's read it. Open it up. Read it. Who's that? Buzz. Do you love Buzz? Give him a hug. You don't want to give him huggies?
Where's Woody? Where's Woody? Can you find Woody?
Look, Zane, it's Buzz. Wow, what a cool book. And that's a car.
That's Gil. Here, you want me to open it?
He's a Mater belt or whatever. All right, Zane, say bye.